In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello cards together across different boards. 5 minutes. First, make sure you're signed into Trello and have access to the two boards you want to connect. It helps to know ahead of time which card will serve as the source and which will be the destination, so you're not clicking around later. Start on the board that contains the first card you want to link. Open that board, then open the specific card. This is the card you'll be linking from. Once the card is open, copy its URL. You can grab it directly from your browser's address bar while the card is open, or use the card's copy link option if you prefer. That link is the key that lets Trello recognize and display the card on another board. Now switch to the other board where you want the link to appear. You can use the board switcher or your workspace boards menu to get there quickly. Open the destination card on this second board. This is where the connection will live, so anyone who opens it can jump to the original card instantly. Inside the destination card, look for the Add section and choose Attachment. In the attachment options, paste the URL you copied earlier into the link field. You'll see a place to add display text as well. This is optional but highly recommended. A clear label, like the card's title or a short description, makes the link easier to understand at a glance, especially for teammates who aren't familiar with the other board. After you've pasted the link and added a display label if you want one, select Insert. Trello will attach the linked card and usually show a smart preview with the card title and icon, so it's obvious this is a Trello card, not just a generic link. From now on, anyone on this card can click the attachment to jump directly to the original card on the other board. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. Repeat the same process in the opposite direction if you want a two-way connection, so each card links back to the other. Keep permissions in mind. Both boards should be accessible to the people who need to follow the link. Consider adding a short comment explaining why the cards are linked, so context isn't lost later. And keep your display text consistent, which helps when scanning multiple linked items. That's it. You've connected cards across boards using a simple link attachment, creating a fast, reliable bridge between related work.